most common phrasal verbs with head, along with their meanings and examples. Let's get started. Number 1. To head out. This means to leave or depart from a place. For example, we're going to head out for dinner soon. Number 2. To head up. This means to be in charge of or to lead a group or a project. For example, Sarah will lead up the marketing campaign. Number 3. To head for. This means to move or go towards a particular place or direction. For example, we need to head for the exit before the concert ends. Number 4. To head back. This means to return to a previous place or situation. For example, let's head back to the office after lunch. Number 6. Head on. This means to confront a situation or problem directly. For example, we need to be prepared to head on with the challenges ahead. Head into. This means to enter or move towards a particular area or situation. For example, we're going to head into town for some shopping. Number 7. Head over. This means to go or move to a specific location or person. For example, I'll head over to your place after work. Number 8. Head down. To lower one's head or to move downwards. For example, the workers headed down into the mine. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.